Hey you guys, let's get started on prepping our Christmas baskets. This year's theme for Christmas baskets is gonna be Santa. So I brought it back to the old school Santa. Isn't he adorable? This one is in red. You guys have to love this. Look how big he is. So this is gonna be my theme this year. It's gonna be Santa. I also printed him out in the black, traditional, how it used to be before there was no color. And I also printed him out in the hot pink. So this is gonna be the baskets for my sisters that I do every year. So keep an eye out for those baskets. We're just gonna prep them together because I need to get a couple of things started. So as well as a couple of the goodie bags that I made for Santa. I made a couple of them for the teachers. So yeah, I'm in a roll. Go ahead and check that video out if you find it. And go check it out. Let's get started. I will be using these containers, and these are going to be my baskets, and these are just from the dollar store. As you can tell, they're just clear containers, so I can add whatever I want to them. We are going to remove the sticker, and we're going to remove it very slow. If not, it's going to leave behind the nasty stick glue that nobody wants. These are just at the dollar store at the party section. Go ahead and pick them up. Every time I go, I see them and I pick them up because I use them a lot when I'm trying to give an affordable gift basket to someone. These are my go-to. They're super handy. They're clear, so I can add whatever I want and it's gonna stand out as well. Now, if they are dirty, go ahead and grab yourself an alcohol wipe really fast the container with it. It's gonna dry nice and clear, so don't worry about that. It's gonna dry nice and clear, and don't worry about that. This is just to get rid of any smudges of your hands, anything that shouldn't be on there. It's just gonna wipe it nice and clear. If it is nice and clear and you don't need it, don't use it. Now I'm gonna use my favorite transfer tape. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can go ahead and get a discount as well as $5 off. So you're gonna get a discount. And I'm gonna be using my little scissor thing. Got stuck. Okay, let me take this out real quick so I can get it out. It opens up, so don't worry about that if it gets stuck. The little container opens up, and it is on my Amazon storefront. Okay, so I want to get a good amount without wasting any transfer tape. So I'm just going to cut it. Like so. Leave the rest for something else. I'm gonna grab my scraper. So we're gonna put them right, not too high and not too low. I'm gonna want these baskets. I like it to be right in the middle. It's up to you how you like it, but this is how I like it. So my theme is Santa. Last year's theme was the Grinch. This year's is Santa. So if you are about the Grinch, go ahead and check out last year's videos. This year, it is the big man. Now, it has a lot of little stuff, so I want to make sure I pick it up, like the chin and the nose. You want to make sure you pick all that good stuff up before you forget about it, and then you just press it and like, oh my God, I didn't put his nose or something. Okay? So you're going to lift it carefully. Some dirt. Don't you hate that? Something's always in the way. Okay, and you are going to place it exactly how you want it. Once you have it, place it down carefully. You're gonna go ahead and press it. And make sure you press it right so nothing stays like his nose or his eye, his little mouthpiece. You want to make sure that you get all of it. His eyebrows. Okay, so when we're going to pull this slow because I don't want to lose any of the pieces. So we're going to go ahead and pull this slow. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to slow down my fan, but it didn't work out. Okay, so we're gonna pull it slow and make sure that we just, let's see right there where it's ripping. Jesus. So it looks good. But it did rip. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw this out because I feel like if I use it ripped, it's gonna mess up my design, and what a waste if my ripped design rips. I don't know, it's like this fan, it won't turn off. Hopefully it turns off. So that right there came out adorable. What do you guys think? Even if I add like a white piece of paper, you see how cute it looks? So I can also add a white piece of paper to the basket and make that stand out even more. Look at that. What do you guys think? Should I do that from now on? Add like a white paper and then just to the front and make that stand out. The only thing with that is you can't see what I put inside the baskets, and you guys love to see that. But it came out adorable. I mean, you could see it. The only reason you can't see it is because it's on camera. But I could see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut another piece, and hopefully, you know what? This one doesn't rip. I don't need them ripping. So I'm gonna try to eyeball this the best way I can. Because once it rips, it kind of ruins the whole thing. Okay, so the next one is going to be the pink one. Isn't that adorable? So if you have a friend that likes pink, there you go. This will be her basket. Or a kid, or you. This will be your basket if you like pink. We're gonna go ahead and eyeball it again. And once I have it exactly how I want it, we're gonna press it down. What do you guys think? It looks adorable, let me tell you. I'm gonna put that onto here and just keep going. I love the way it came out. So I wanna use this again. So what do you guys think of this one? I think it is adorable in the pink. Look at that. It looks a little red, but trust me, it's a hot pink. Trust me, it's a hot pink. I wouldn't lie to you. Okay, so let's do my favorite one, which is this one with the red. As soon as I saw the way it came out in the machine, I was like, whoa, this would be my basket for me. So like I said, make sure you press it down. You don't want the eyes or anything staying behind, because once it stays behind, it's gonna be a little hard to pull up. So with these DIYs, sorry, take your time. There's no need to rush. You're not gonna go anywhere unless you're making your basket in a hurry. You know what? Take your time. There's no need to rush. Don't make everything go by so quick. Life is so quick as it is. Why add more to it? But do scrape it in there. Use your hands if you want. And then we're gonna lift it. And I wanna lift it carefully. Now you can reuse this paper or you can just throw it away. I will be throwing mine away. Look how adorable this is, you guys. Look at him. He is adorable. And this is the red, as you can see from the pink. It is way different. Like, obviously the black one is the one that's going to stand out the most, but I am loving this one. So let me know which one you like. Did you like the black, the pink, or the red Santa? We are now ready. We are prepped. Make sure you guys check the video when I make the baskets. Merry Christmas. Even if it's not Christmas yet, I don't care. I am in the holiday. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And until next time, bye you guys.